Hey, this is Aaron of Square Thunder, and this is Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Actually, this week I'm not. I'm on vacation. So thanks for stopping by. I wanted to just post a really quick message and say thank you for your support. It means a big difference to me. I appreciate it. I'm super grateful for my regular viewers, for new viewers. You all make a huge difference, and I'm glad you're here. I hope that what I do every week is useful for you and entertaining in some way, and that you get some enjoyment out of it. This week, however, I'm on vacation, and I had originally thought maybe I would pre-record a couple of episodes and have those kind of ready to go and scheduled, and that meant a lot of extra work for me leading into vacation, and that seemed really kind of antithetical to what a vacation is supposed to be. I want to go on vacation and relax and take it easy and not think about work. I also don't want to stress out like a madman for the few days leading up to that vacation. I know it's going to be stressful and crazy enough when I get back from vacation trying to catch up on what I've missed. So adding extra workload on the front of things just seemed like a dumb thing to do. So no pre-recorded episode of Fast Logo Friday. However, this non-episode, is supported by SkillShare. If you want to learn something new, whether it's web design, graphic design, logo design, business skills, they have a huge library of courses and curriculum that you can learn from really talented people, excellent presenters, great materials. And if you swing over and click the affiliate link down in the description here, you'll get 2 months free of your premium subscription, and they kick back a little bit here to help support the channel. So thanks to Skillshare for your support, and thanks to you, my viewers, whether you're new or whether you're regular. I appreciate you very much. Thanks for coming by. We'll see you next week or in a couple of weeks, early September, right here on Fast Logo Friday with Square Thunder. Stay awesome.